How to remove LastPass extension from Chrome. So first, just open up your Google Chrome app, and once it's opened up, navigate to this puzzle icon or puzzle piece icon right here, which is basically the extensions. So if you click on that, you will see all of your extensions. And here you will see your LastPass. So just simply click on the three dot icon on its right side. And you have two options on doing this. So you could just simply remove it from Chrome right here immediately. Or you could also go to the manage extension and it will bring you right here on the extension page, just like so. And you will see all of the details about the LastPass extension right here. And if you scroll down, here's the other option on removing the extension. So if you click on it, it will automatically prompt you to remove it. And just simply click on remove again right here to confirm your decision. Then you will be brought right here. So you just simply need to refresh the page to check. And as you can see, it is now gone. But if it's not, you just simply need to click on the remove option right here again. But usually it just needs a refresh to basically show that it has been removed. And that is how I basically remove LastPass extension from Chrome.